This video covers how to assemble a Knaack cart Armour tool cart. All steps may be applied to models CA1, CA2, and CA3. Assembly parts in the kit include 2 exterior side panels, 1 exterior rear panel, 1 door panel, 4 interior corner brackets, 1 L-hook, 1 rubber grommet, and a bolt kit. Required tools are a 5/16 inch and 7/16 inch wrench or socket and a Rubbermaid utility cart, sold separately. To begin assembly, start with the right side panel with the electric pass-through. The panel must be placed underneath the cart handle. Step 1. Insert the lip of the panels into the tabs at the bottom of the cart. Hold in place while attaching 1 corner bracket to the left interior of the cart. Tighten bolts by hand, but leave loose to make further adjustments. Repeat the step to the remainder 2 panels. The front door will be assembled last. Step 2. Install the L bracket to the front left bracket with 2 7/16 inch bolts. Leave loose to make further adjustments. Step 3. Secure the front left bracket to the cart with an interior bracket using 7/16 inch bolts and nut. Tighten by hand and leave loose to make further adjustments. Step 4. Insert the door and hold in place while securing it to the cart with an interior corner bracket. Step 5. Tighten the bolts and make any alignment adjustment as needed. Step 6. Wedge the rubber grommet from inside of the electric pass-through to secure it to the pass-through. If you need more assistance, call our customer service or visit our website.